Hello. It is like 1:30 in the morning, and I just put up the vlog for my first few days here. I actually ended up combining like my first day exploring around with the very short footage I have from Haw Par Villa, which was cool. It just seemed like a lot of the stuff looked really similar, so I didn't bother to add all of it. So I don't know, this was a pretty cool place because not only did it talk about like the punishments for if you were a bad person according to I think Buddhist or Confucian tenets, it also talked about like the cultural virtues that you had to have to be like a great Chinese citizen. And yeah, the place was actually built by the Tiger Balm Company, and he did it to promote a sense of oneness in society, and he wanted to just enculturate the little kids that could, you know, roam around in the neighborhood freely. I thought it was pretty cool that he was willing to do that for everyone. The plan for tomorrow when I wake up is to go to the Jurong Bird Park, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited to go see the birds. Birds are so precious, and there are so many different types of birds out there, and obviously it is very hot in Singapore, so they have all the beautiful like tropical sing-songy birds that live in the jungle. So apparently there are over 500 species of birds at the bird zoo, and I think over like 3,000 or 4,000 individual birds there. So we'll see. It's kind of expensive for tickets. It's like $30.
Hazel, call for her name. Hazel, there she comes. Whoa, nice landing. Well done. All right. The boat.